हेलो।
हाँ सर, प्ले
हेलो।
कीजिए। हाँ, प्ले कीजिए।
हाँ सर 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 सॉरी फॉर सम टेक्निकल डिस्टर्बेंस। नाउ आई एम रेडी फॉर दैट। सर गुड आफ्टरनून टू। हेलो।
हाँ सर, बोलते रहिए सर, बोलते रहिए।
गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, प्रोफेसर देवदास मेनन सर, प्रोफेसर संदीप चौधरी सर, प्रोफेसर वीरगावन सर, डॉक्टर एल आर मंजुनाथा सर, असिस्टेंट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट JSW सीमेंट, प्रोफेसर सरोज मंडल सर, डॉक्टर BH भट्ट कुमार CSIR, और अशोक कुमार तिवारी सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सर अल्ट्राटेक सीमेंट, और श्री सन्नी सरलाकर असेस बिल्डकेम प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, श्री सुनील मिस्त्री सर GM, और डॉक्टर BB दास एंड डॉक्टर अरविंद कुमार एस डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह यादव जी, एंड श्री मनीष जैन जी सर। सर today presentation I am special gratitude to Professor Sandeep Chaudhary, IIT Indore, as I was a student of them in MBM Engineering College since 1990 to 1994 sir. It is a moment of extreme pleasure to welcome the guests who are present here to attend and presentation the seminar on the behalf of RTU institutions. I offer my regards to all the present IIT professors and the people joining us. I convey my regards the chief guest and regards to Dr. Parveen Kumar Agarwal sir. Thanks so much sir for accepting my proposal of topic use of waste plastic in construction of roads and arranging online presentation for seminar. The schedule of seminar will focus on the topic of use of plastic waste in construction of flexible roads. It will include for issues that is what is plastic, use in road construction with bitumen, advantage and disadvantage, hazardous impact, cost benefits, etc. to address the full aspect of the topic, sir.
होता जाएगा ऑटोमेटिक एरो की से
एरो की।
ठीक sir, my page self Dr. Raghuveer Singh, presently working with CG organization on the four laning project of Jodhpur Ring Road project. As a senior quality cum material expert, I have previously worked on a international project of Dhaka International rail project and so many highway projects as well in the quality control laboratory as CG test house and research center Jaipur. Presently, I am in the Jodhpur Ring Road in Jodhpur. As there is 80 kilometer of four laning road. Sadbhav is the concessionaire and PIU Jodhpur is the NHI. I will look after that project, sir. Sir, my project this is the independent engineer service for four laning of Dangia was 2 kilometer to Jajiwal Nagore road section present in the of Jodhpur Ring Road in the state of Rajasthan on hybrid annuity basis project. Sir, now come to the topic, sir. Introduction: plastic waste. Plastic is a hazard to the environment. Plastic waste road construction for flexible payments and used in rural roads on PMGSY project and also used in National Highway project as per circular Government of India, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. The concept of plastic roads in India. In India, where 50% of the country roads were unpaved only a few years ago, as many as 14,000 miles of new roads have been installed since India's Ministry for Road Transportation made it mandatory in 2016 to add waste plastic into bituminous roads. India's plastic roads technology grew out of experimentation done in 2001 by Dr. R. Vasudevan, a chemistry professor at the College of Engineering in Madurai. Recognizing the similarity between plastic and bitumen, both derived from petroleum, He mixed the serrated plastic with gravel, then bitumen, and saw a good bonding effect. Vasudevan's method reportedly employs two types of plastic, LDPE or low density polyethylene used in plastic wax and PET polyethylene used in soda bottles. Mac Roberts and McCartney recalls being in India in 2016 and noticing people repairing potholes. That is the general problem of our roads in the rainy season by plugging them with plastic bags and lighting them on fire. It gave him the idea behind McRibar. How environmentally friendly are plastic roads? One concern is that heating plastic of making asphalt can create carbon emissions, thus negating and emissions saving from using less bitumen. Vasudev says that for the oven method, it's only necessary to heat plastic to 170 degree Celsius, 338 degrees Fahrenheit, which is well within a safe range. So plastics as they are heated go from solid to liquid to gas, and it's only above 270 degrees centigrade when they are at their gaseous that they release gases, explained Troutman, and who is also an environmental scientist. McCartney calculates that for every ton of bitumen left out of asphalt, as much as 10 in carbon dioxide emissions is saved since the petroleum is heated for bitumen's extraction. The processing of petroleum-based asphalt is responsible for sizable greenhouse gas emissions each year. Another concern about plastic roads is that they will shed microplastics. No one has yet reported that this has occurred, and those interviewed for this article say they don't see microplastics as a problem. Road material is relatively inert, a solid block of asphalt, noted Troutman. In fact, the largest source of microplastic on the planet is abrasion of tires, track buses, or every which develop hydrocarbons in that one. Sir, few of the I have worked on PMJ road in the state of Madhya Pradesh. There is a road of Gunga Road in the district of Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. These are the view of the roadway construction with new technology, plastic waste. Gunga Road, Bhopal. This is the state highway 21. That was under construction. Few of the laboratory tests conducted with a VG30 grade and then mixed with waste plastic used in that road. There is a big laboratory of at site at Gunga or state road, and a PWD state government watching the quality control team every frequently on that one. Sir, there was some presentation on use of plastic waste in bitumen roads for Madhya Pradesh state road projects. That one. This is also the presentation use of plastic waste in bituminous roads construction. That one. Sir, this is my ring road project Jodhpur. Initially 00 from Jodhpur and the end of the 74 chains near to IIT connected to Jaisalmer bypass. That is totally 4-lane road, and we are using the VG grade 30 grade bitumen, and for DBM road and BC top layer BC grade 2 will be construction with VG30 bitumen, adding with plastic waste. Plastic waste we are procuring from Indore, and these are two trials we have already done for that one. But due to COVID-19, the project or preparation or report and approval are some delay. So we are under process of that one, sir. already DBM has been done for service roads. So the continues that what is plastic? A material that contains one or more organic polymers of large molecule weight, solid in its finished state, and at some state while manufacturing or processing into finished articles can be shaped by its flow. So types of plastic in the form of in the thermosets, elastomers, and thermoplastics are. Sir, there is natural resins, solid or semi-solid materials, light yellow to dark brown in color, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, globulous on the bark or synthetic resins, or derived primarily from petroleum products, polystyrene, polyesters, and acrylic used in the manufacture of varnishes, or plastic adhesive and rubber. The various resins of plastics are that polyethylene, terephthalene, PET, and PETE. Density polyethylene, HDPE, or vinyl polyvinyl chloride or PVC. Low density polyethylene, LDPE. Hello? Or basic process, there is segregation, cleaning process, shredding process, and the collection process. In the case of in the segregation process, the plastic waste collected from various sources must be separated from other waste. Maximum thickness of that one is 60 microns. And plastic waste segregation. So there is a few of the plastic bags in a blue color paper collected, and glass or collected in green color, or yellow color with plastics collected in that one, and the metals are collected in a red color cabbage. The plastic waste segregation, sir. That is some of the photos, some of plastic bottles, single use are collected here with plastic waste segregation. Now the cleaning process, the cleaning process, plastic waste get cleaned and dried. Some of the people are skilled laborers are collecting that one or cleaning that one. The shredding of process, the plastic full size bottles or under polythenes are shredded in the crystal form, and that one will be shredded or cut into small pieces. The different types of plastics waste are mixed together, that one. So these are the shredded waste plastic is in the crystal form. The collection process. The plastic waste retaining on 2.36 mm ISU is collected. So this is the waste collection. First photo show the waste collection. Second one is the dismantling of that one. And the third one is the air dry and breakdown, that one, sir. And the fourth is the hand grinding for that collected plastics. The field trials. There are two types of field trials. First is the dry process, or second one is the wet process, sir. So sir, first is the dry process. We have shown in here. The aggregate is heated to 170 degrees centigrade in the hot mix plant, mini hot mix plant, as per requirement of quantum of work. Or the shredded plastics waste is added in equal proportion, adding shredded plastic in that one, shown here. Or immediately the hot bitumen VG30, VG40, the grade up to 100 degrees centigrade is added into the plastic. Aggregate plastic bitumen mix is shown here. The mixture is transferred to the road and the road is laid. Now the wet process. Waste plastics by direct mixing with hot bitumen at 160 degree and mechanical stirrers is needed because of sometimes bitumen or that is setting down, so the continuous agitators stirrers are required for that one, sir. Addition of stabilizers and proper cooling, sir. Since the wet process require a lot of investment and bigger plants, so generally dry process are in India is used, where wet process is not commonly used in our projects, sir. Sir, these are some of the aggregate test results shown in used our project highway, Jodhpur Ring Road project. The source of aggregate is near the Jodhpur to Pali Road. Kakani is the source of quarry. It is lead is around 30 to 50 kilometer from Jodhpur, near around 5 kilometer inside from main road. The Los Angeles test was conducted in our site laboratory, in-house laboratory, as well as third-party laboratory testing from recognized or NABL accredited laboratory. So, abrasion value of that aggregate is found at 18.90%. The maximum Los Angeles permissible value is now 35 for DBM cases. Impact value found 13.01, that is 25 for BC cases and 27% for DBM cases. Now the safe test was conducted, so that test are within the permissible limit. Safe test में flakiness index of combined value was checked, that was found as 29.89%. The permissible limit is around 45%, that one. Elongation test is what, that one is not required. And the water absorption of that aggregate is 0.18, which is very less than 1%, means the aggregate is black basalt and very sound aggregates. Bitumen VG30 procured from refinery IOCL and HPCL directly from a Panipat refinery. So test results are tabulated as under. The bulkers or tanks are directly carried out from the refinery. The invoices are available with the tanker, and laboratory test result of refinery are attached also with invoice. Then again, when the tanker is reached to our site or base camp laboratory, a representative sample is collected from the tanker in the presence of independent incidents, NHI, National Highway Authority of India representative or concessionaires representative. The sample is then sent to in-house site laboratory for performing relevant test, penetration test, softening point test, absolute viscosity, kinematic viscosity, place and fire point, etc. In our case, the test results of VG are shown is here. The penetration value is 53. Softening point is 51.60. Minimum requirement is 47 degree. Absolute viscosity 3219 points. Kinematic viscosity 357.56 centipoise CST. Place point test temperature 30 degree was performed. Waste plastic carried out from Indore, some commercial industries are, some of the properties of plastic are here available. The binding property, plastic is a good binder. Percentage of plastic coating over aggregate. So first case we have checked for the compressive strength megapascal and binding strength in that case. When plastic coating 10%, the compressive strength achieved 250 and binding strength 320 megapascal. When additional quantity of adding up to 20%, then compressive strength was found 270 and binding strength 335. Again, the 30% of plastic coating we are getting, the compressive strength again increasing up to 290, and also the binding strength is increasing 350 only. Till 40% plastic is coating, then the compressive strength of the aggregate is reducing, that is become 220, and bonding strength of the mix is increasing up to 390. Sir, there are some thermal study of plastic waste crystals that one showed that for polymer and the solubility, softening point or product reported decomposition temperature and products reported, ignition temperature and product reported. फिर polymer PE, the solubility in water is nil, EPT is nil, softening point temperature in degree centigrade become from 100 to 150. And product reported no gas produced, and decomposability the degree of position of temperature 270 to 3 degree, and product reported that the methane and ethene gas alkali. Ignition temperature resonant degree more than 700 degrees centigrade. For that one the same for PPE and PS. The characteristics of polymer modified bitumen that was used on our relevant project road of PMGSOI road at Madhya Pradesh state or Bhopal state, that one road. So there was a PMB 40 was used, and that was the property of polymer modified bitumen. Mean that the use of higher percentage of plastic in polymer modified product is not favorable. So percentage of plastics 1%, 2% study was practically done on the percentage of plastics 1%, 2%, 3%, 5% and 10%. The ductility results on ductility, penetration, softening code results are available here. For 1% plastic, the ductility is 64, penetration value of 95, and softening point up to 54. On 2%, when plastic is increased, percentage of increase, the ductility again reduced up to 55, and penetration also reduced 90%. Softening point also reduced up to 55. On 3%, it is ductility reduced up to 20. Penetration again reduced to 80. Softening point again reduced 50. And the percentage of plastic increasing up to 5%. So ductility reduced 11, or penetration 55, softening point 72. Or percentage of plastic up to increasing up to 10%. The ductility reduced 7, penetration as a nil, and the softening point again increased 75. Sir, characteristics of plastic coated aggregate, aggregate impact value, aggregate plastic improves aggregate impact value, helps to improve the quality of flexible pavement. So the percentage of plastics available here were aggregate normal aggregate impact value was checked, that was the 25.4%. Then adding plastic waste with a bitumen with 1%, the aggregate impact value reduced from 25.4 to 21.20. So the impact value reduced, it means the aggregate is more sound. Now the percentage of plastic increasing up to 2%. So again the impact value of aggregate mix is increase reducing 18.5%. मतलब इनके hardness or strength of aggregate is improving in that case. The Los Angeles aberration test value. So wear and tear values of plastics coated aggregate is found to be decreasing the percentage of plastic. This is a 37% without plastic, 32% with 1% plastic, and 29% with plastic. The sound test was also performed on the SAT test. The plastic coated aggregate did not show, and weight loss improvement in the quality of the aggregate. So now the advantage of plastic road we are doing. Use of higher percentage of plastic waste reduce the need of bitumen by around 10%. increase the strength and performance of the road, reduce the cost to around Rs 5,000 per kilometer of single lane road, generate job for rag pickers, develop a technology which is eco-friendly. Disadvantage of plastic roads, the cleaning process, toxics present in the commingled plastic waste would start leaching during the road laying process, but the presence of chlorine will definitely release noxious HCl hydrochloric gas. After the road laying, sir, the components of the road, once it has been laid, are thinner. It is apparent that the first rain will trigger leaching, as the plastic will merely form a sticky layer, mechanical abrasion. Sir. Once the road is started to be used, will cause the release of fine polymers particles. When airborne, these will cause a particulate problem. Sir, this is the cost comparison of the bitumen road as well as bitumen mixed with waste plastic road. The cost estimation, the cost of waste plastic is generally where data is previously recorded data available here with the cost of waste plastic generally 7 rupee per bag. The cost of processing is Rs 5 rupee per kg. The total cost of waste plastics are as 12 rupees per kg. Optimum percentage of plastic in the blend as per the test results is around 8% percentage of bitumen. Here maximum 8% of bitumen is as per IRC SP 98. Sir. Generally, roads in India are constructed in basic width of 3.0 meter, 3.7 meter, and 4 meter widths. So consider 1 kilometer length road of width 3.75 meter. It uses bitumen approx 2,1300 kg for new for upgradation. The cost of bitumens Rs 8,400 per drum 200 kg, and the cost of bitumen is 42.0 per kg. A cost is estimated. The cost of new roads per kilometer, including DBM, carpet, and seal coat, ECC, the bitumen required for one is approximately 21,300 kg. Cost of bitumen in new work is 8,095,000 per kilometer. Waste plastic co-processed with bitumen of PMB 8% by weight, itne kg. Cost of waste plastic used is Rs 20,450 kg. Cost of bitumen saved 1704 kg, equivalent to plastic used Rs 71,550. So total saving per kilometer rupees 51,100. So cost of road upgradation per kilometer, including carpet and seal coat, Rs 10 lakhs 80,000. So bitumen required for work approximately 11,925 kg per kilometer. Cost of bitumen in repairs or upgradation per kilometer 5 lakhs or 1,000. So waste plastic co-processed with bitumen for PMB 8% by weight and oblique VG 38% by weight 954 kg. Cost of waste plastic use 11,450. The performance comparison of waste plastic modified versus conventional bitumen roads. A case study for the Pune city is as here. So methods during December 2016 and January 2017, various road of Pune city were overlaid with a bituminous mix containing serrated waste plastic by weight of bitumen 8% of the weight of mix. and the compares the in service performance of these plastic roads with similar traffic conventional bituminous road, that is with a 80/100 grade bitumen or VG 100 grade bitumen. So laid during the same period time, in terms of their deterioration rates, the state is in the Pune city or Maharashtra, India, to fulfill this objective. The following methodology was adopted. The performance comparison, brother. These roads were construction after testing and review of literature. The selection of material for testing plastic or bitumen aggregate. Pavement inventory was done for various tests, and field test performed to cutting the course to check field density and field dry density, and pavement distance study was checked out with a roughness survey on Benkelman beam deflection survey. It is the field test or field distance test was conducted on that road, and the deterioration parameters of flexible pavement, the following were carried out, which can fairly accurately predict the conditions of roads. So Benkelman beam deflection survey test was conducted on that one. The test performed as per TRR report table 3 or BPT used to determine the viscoelastic property of the bituminous layers. The tolerance value of the good bitumen road lies in between 0.5 to 1%. So that's why the distress test, the BBD test was conducted on the new road construction with a bitumen mixed with waste plastics. The BBD survey is here, and the skid resistance roughness survey performed by Benkelman fifth wheel indicator roughness roughometer. Skid resistance is the force developed when a tire that is prevented from rotating slides along the pavement surface. So skid resistance is measured in the form of friction measurements such as a friction factor or skid number. The surface texture of the road layer determines the skid nature of a road mainly in wet conditions. The skid resistance of the road was determined as a skid number and compared with the reference value. Lower the skid number, higher is the skid resistance. An approved skid number as per Codal provision IRC specification is less than 65 for a well-performing road. The Stanley pendulum skid resistance tester was used to check that the skid resistance. Then this is the equipment of Stanley pendulum skid resistance tester. The roughness test by bump indicator. Roughness is a significant pavement characteristic as it affects not only vehicle delay, cost, but also riding quality, fuel consumption and maintenance costs. Roughness data are collected using towed fifth wheel bump indicator running at a speed of 32 km per hour on selected stretches. The Ramdas bump integrator BI for measuring road roughness is a response type roughness meter. This is a mechanical instrument that measures the relative displacement of a vehicle's suspension concerning the body of the vehicle. The BI readings are used to analyze the linear profile and calculate the roughness of a road surface in mm per kilometer. Fifth wheel bump indicator on database is available. This is the fifth wheel bump integrator to evaluate roughness mm per kilometer. Is the conclusion there is. Conclusion, plastic will increase the melting point of the bitumen. Use of the innovative technology not only strengthened the road construction but also increased the road life. Plastic helps to improve the environment plastic road would be to India to hot and extremely humid climate, where durable and eco-friendly roads which will relieve the earth from the all type of plastic waste. References taken from Sir IRC SP 98 and guidelines for the use of waste plastic in hot bituminous mix dry powder process in a varying coursing. Circular from Government of India, Ministry of Road and Highways, marked in various and the guidelines on use of plastic waste in road construction provisional guidelines number इतने इतने और research design and standard organization लखनऊ और श्री वासुदेवंस are utilization of waste plastic for flexible pavement Indian high for Indian highway से some of the data collected from the SS Verma sir roads from plastic waste the Indian concrete journals or some of the IRC 48 and the IISI Indian standard specification of road and tar was used. Thank you sir. Environmental save the environment and save earth planet if tree. Thank you to go for green. Thank you sir. Thank you to everyone who made this conference possible with their opinion and viewers.
थैंक यू
Thank you sir.
थैंक यू कोई पार्टिसिपेंट्स क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहें एनी पार्टिसिपेंट्स इफ यू wish to ask questions are welcome.
Hello.
Any participant can unmute herself or herself and ask the question. शाश्वती
सर आपकी आवाज कम आ रही है थोड़ा सा
मेरी आवाज बढ़ाऊं चलिए मेरी
हाँ थोड़ा सा सर आवाज प्लीज
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर चलिए so any participant if wish to get more information
yes sir
so if there are no questions we may close the session.
Okay sir.
I express gratitude कृतज्ञता मेरी तरफ से और राजस्थान टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से डॉक्टर रघुवीर सिंह जी
थैंक यू सर
थैंक यू मेरी तरफ से और राजस्थान टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी
सर मैं थोड़ा बता दूं प्रेजेंटली इसी महीने में हमारा प्लास्टिक रोड्स का न्यूटेक विद बीसी के साथ में होने वाला है तो कुछ डाटा मैं और इंक्लूड करूंगा इन फ्यूचर यू विल invite me that more data will be practical problem of service road and Jodhpur ring road I will include in this topic sir.
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आपने ये जो स्टेट हाईवे के मध्य प्रदेश में स्टेट हाईवे और
हाँ सर काम किया उस पे मैंने काम किया और प्रेजेंटली इस प्रोजेक्ट में भी फोर लेनिंग में भी यूज लेना हमें इसी महीने कुछ डाटा और अवेलेबल हो जाएंगे सर.
जी सर तो जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स चाहेंगे उनको मैं बाद में भी शेयर कर दूंगा मेल आईडी सबके है ही मेरे पास.
थैंक यू सर.
Any participant even if wish to ask or otherwise we may close. सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स चैट पे आपकी तारीफ लिख रहे हैं बहुत ही नई जानकारी उनको मिली है और अलग अलग प्रदेश से सर आपको बता दूं 21 अलग अलग राज्यों से हमारे यहाँ पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं.
वेरी गुड सर.
तमिलनाडु से 40-42 हैं कर्नाटका से भी 30 हैं तो इस तरह से साउथ इंडिया से काफी हैं तो मैं सभी का स्वागत करता हूं और आपकी तरफ से इस सत्र के लिए बहुत बहुत
थैंक यू सर फॉर ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स इन्वॉल्विंग विद मी और ठीक है सर ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स थैंक यू सर.
मैं इस सेशन को क्लोज करने की अनुमति चाहता हूं आपसे. इस सेशन को बंद करने की अनुमति चाहता हूं पार्टिसिपेंट से और एक्सपर्ट से.
ओके सर.